When I did this question, I first of all thought about taking the three lightest weights and putting them on these scales, and then thinking about what the fourth must be to guarantee that the heaviest is on the heavier side. So I'm going to want to try and use 1, 2, and 3 as my three lightest weights because we're trying to get the heaviest coin to be as small as possible. So if I put 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here, then I can work this out really. It must be that whatever goes here, oh, it's got to be, the smallest it could be would be 5. Now, if I move the 2 over here, then it would still be heavier. So I'm basically putting the fourth heaviest coin with the lightest coin to ensure that it is still heavier, basically. And we can now repeat this process. So if I then take the next three heaviest, which is basically I ignore the 2 and I go with 3 and 5, and now I take the lightest. What do I need to ensure that the fifth heaviest coin is going to be on the heavier side? Well, it's going to be 8. Okay, so that is going to be my fifth coin. And if I put 8 with anything else, it would then still work. And I can repeat this process. So now I can put 5 and 8 together and then 1 with the next heaviest coin, and that will give me 13. So now I'll get 14 and 13. So 13 will win out against all the rest of them. Um, and let's keep going. So now 8 and 13. So now it's going to be 1 and 21. And then finally, it's going to be 13 and 21 as the second two heaviest. So I need the heaviest of the four coins to be on the heavier side. So it must be that my eighth coin is got to be 34, the sum of 13 and 21. Yeah, because if I put 34 with anything else, it's always going to win because it manages to win when it's with the lightest against the next two heaviest. And that's, let me just say again, that's basically the process that I've been using throughout. If I take the three smallest that I can possibly take, 1, 2, and 3, because they're all different positive integers, then it has to be 5 to guarantee that 5 is always on the heavier side. And then I'm going to take the 3 and the 5, which are the heaviest out of the ones I have, put them here, and put 1 here, and then 8 works, and so on. I'm just trying to explain again why I've followed this process and why it works. This gives us an answer overall of 34. Well done.